Nice one, cool dudes. I am here at the beautiful Freshwater Bay. In the sea, Southern Water have released some nice fresh sewage for the swimmers to enjoy. And I'm about to undertake a 7.8 mile circular walk, taking in some of the best sights on the island. Oh, I only wish there was someone to accompany me on this walk. Or do I? Or do I?
Yes, you do.
Joined by special guest Rowan. Looking forward to the walk.
More than anything.
And it's time to say, good luck everyone, especially us. Oh, got it right so far. All right, let's get going. Oh, this is quite spooky. This is the sort of place you get murdered, Rowan.
Oh, God.
We're heading inland to Farringford, which is where the famous poet Tennyson lived. And he became such a celebrity in the 1850s, he had to move away again as he was hassled by people. It's a bit like me going to Tesco's these days. We're walking on a Saturday and it's quite busy, and Rowan has got a habit of saying hello to everyone. Explain why, please.
We could be the only people they say hello to all day. Come on now. Have some kindness.
Yeah, well, I disagree. Anyway, I've got a new game I've just started playing, which is you both have to say hello to the oncoming person, and the second person to say hello, if you don't say hello first, has to say hello louder than the first person. Get ready, Rowan. Here comes a big hello.
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 Ooh. Beautiful.
Lovely day.
No, how nice. This poor lady's had a little toilet time, but it does look like the face of a fly, so she's winning.
No wonder flies like cows' butts.
Oh,
it is a nice house. Guess what the price is? We're going to have a look around. Do the tour, please, Rowan.
I will do the tour because I actually think it might be empty. It's got an original feature of the pump on the wall there, which is from the 1820s. And it's got some pipework inside, but they've had some scaffolding done. Relatively nice roof, good condition. Aerial, so you can probably pop a telly on there. I think it's stunning. Are we sort of going on private land now, Marek?
Oh, is this someone's house?
I think this is the driveway, yeah. But lovely back door. Beautiful.
Everyone loves a nice back door.
Huge garden shed.
How much do you think, Rowan?
I'm unsure. It's a beautiful location. I'm going to go 795.
I think 995.
Do you?
Because of the view.
All right.
Put your answers below and we'll reveal it in a few seconds. Incredibly cool dudes. We've got the greatest bench in the history of walks. Look at that for a view. Lunchtime. It is sausage and mustard and sausage and tomato relish on, look at those baps. Frazzles. Wheat crunchies, bacon ones.
You're going to turn into a piglet, you know.
Shut up.
You're going to turn into a piglet.
An apple, strawberry laces, and oh, what have I got for Marek and Rowan? Kinder Surprise.
That's so nice, thank you.
What have you brought?
All right, we have got a wrap, beetroot hummus, spinach, cheese, and something else. What? These are from Australia.
Salt and vinegar in pink.
I was just going to ask you that. What flavour are they?
That's crazy.
Salt and vinegar. And these coconut wafers, organic coconut wafer rolls. You're going to fall off your chair for them.
Delicious.
Phone.
Nice one, cool dudes. What a beautiful view. Back there on the magic bench, we did some watercolour painting and Rowan did her first plein air watercolouring. Did you enjoy it?
Do you know I did?
Well, find out more. You can watch it. It's very narrow for this path. Up here, if you're a member of the club. So join on YouTube, all right? I cannot appreciate any of the good views from this path. I'm sure it's very nice. The goddamn Spitfire.
Get it?
It's like World War II. Earlier, cool dudes, we were saying how beautiful this is, and there's no one here. And you're at Allen Bay, where it's Gross Arcade, it's packed. Repeat what you just did, please. Is this one of the grossest things you've ever seen, or not?
Honestly, let it go.
There we go. Thrower. All right, cool dudes. It's time for question of the day. Question, lady.
Yeah.
Question me up.
Go on then. If you had one spread forever, sort of toast, sandwich, maybe cake, what are you going for? Shall I go first?
Yes, yes.
Apricot jam.
Apricot jam,
Yeah.
reasons, please.
It's just delicious. Bit of toast, one slice apricot jam. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Can I put Marmite in as a sort of close?
Oh, don't be gross. Oh, no, I thought you meant at the same time.
No.
No, not allowed to have one fresh. Why? It's not two for the rest of your life, it's one.
Is butter included? Just checking.
Yes, you'd have butter. You'd have butter if it's a free one,
It's
and you
free.
can have just
Salty
butter.
Salty butter.
Okay.
I'd marry butter.
Right, the question is changing the whole time.
Sorry. Right, and which jam would you have? Go on.
Well, when I was young, I used to have strawberry jam every day for my breakfast, strawberry jam on toast. And my dad used to cut it into faces every day, different face. It was so brilliant.
Oh, lovely.
But as I've got older, I think I've matured into raspberry jam.
Even though the seeds get stuck in your teeth?
Yes. I've got another story as well.
Please.
I recently did a walk in Tisbury. It's probably a few weeks ago on the channel, and I stayed at a B&B. I won't say which one. And the B&B owner said to me, "Oh, you must try this jam. It's a favourite amongst all of our guests." And he pointed to a strawberry co-op jam. And I opened it up and there was white mould all over the top. And I felt too embarrassed. I put my knife in, dug some of the stuff underneath and put it on a bit of bread, burnt toast, and it was gross.
Did you eat it?
Yeah, see, I just felt too embarrassed. And his wife asked me what I did, and I said, "Oh, well, I'm a sort of actor, but I'm doing YouTube because there isn't much acting work anymore, but I've chosen the creative path." And she said to me, "We must do what we can with our little talents." Yeah, then I cried. Ah, that looks like a nice bench for us to have a seat on. What a view.
Really hurt. Cool dudes, this is the most beautiful quote. "To live in hearts we leave behind is not to die." That, I'm welling up. That's stunning.
Cry. Cry. On the top of Tennyson Down now, cool dudes. Over there is the North Pole, just behind that lady. How many miles away is it? 3,452, 2,938, or 2,722? What's your guess, Rowan?
E.
It's C, 2,722 miles.
I was going to go for that next.
We're making the descent now into Freshwater Bay with, I think, possibly one of the best views on the whole island. Nice one, cool dudes. The walk is complete. It was
Freezing.
freezing. It wasn't that cold. It was 8 hours. It took us 5 hours and 6 minutes.
8 hours. He was practicing.
It was 8 miles.
Treading on your toe.
And it took 5 hours and 6 minutes. At this point, you're probably thinking, oh, I wish I could watch them do more walks. Well, you can, but you can help me do more walks by joining the Cool Dudes Walking Club, by going to this page, clicking on join, choosing what level of membership you'd like to support me with, and in return you get what?
The secret videos. Access to the secret videos.
Extra videos, like the painting one we did today. You get to use these emojis and you get entered into the prize draw. Pretty good, right?
Pretty good.
Oh, how many rounds did you give that walk?
How many is it out of?
It's out of 5. Everyone knows it's out of 5.
I don't.
How many rounds did you give it?
Do you know what, guys? I'm going to go for 4.5.
Okay, well, let's see how many I give it in a minute. But it's finished now. Prize draw coming next. It's just left for us to say, stay cool. Congratulations on getting it right for the first time in your whole life. Oh, that is such a beautiful painting of the needles. I need to buy it for my mantelpiece. Well, don't worry, you can. It's now available on eBay at a starting price of £8. Link below. Okay, cool dudes. We've gone past 600 YouTube members. Thank you. And currently there are 613 of you all eligible for the prize draw. Also, I asked you on the community page what you would like for your new emoji as we pass 600, and the winning emoji was Umbrella Marek. Here it is here. You can use it by typing in umbrella. Please enjoy that. All right, it's time for the prize draw. As I said, currently there are 613 members, and you all stand a chance of winning this. An Avebury Stones magazine, a card from Stripey Art, a bookmark and badge from Marmu, a fan of the Needles, a Needles postcard, an Isle of Wight patch, a Marek keyring that has no arms, stickers and badges. What a prize. So it's time to say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 529. I put all the YouTube members in order of their longevity of service, and the 529th longest serving member out of the 613 is Pignut. I don't know who you are, Pignut, so please can you email me at cooldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com so I can send you the prize. More keyrings are now available, special Olympic ones, for the keyring gallery, which is coming up next. There's only one thing left to say. Stay cool.